Hey guys, it's Pagnemian Flip-Flops here, and today I'm going to be reviewing a piece of technology. It's that thing over there. That thing that has white dots. For those of you who don't know, that is a typewriter. You should know that. Anyway, let's go check it out. Oh boy, it's closed now. That's not good. That over there. The lovely typewriter. Restored it. Wow, the spacebar doesn't work. Hey, look, it moves. A lot of people used to have these. I know how these work. No, I don't. But as you can see, there are many internal organs. Oh, that's hairy. And then this is the hammer. These are all the hammers. So here's how it works. So there's the keys, the hammers, the indents on the hammer. I've never seen those letters before. Let's take this off. The ribbon wheel, the ribbon vibrator, more hairy internal organ, the bell, the paper roller, which I can change with this thing. Now it'll just roll freely. Put that back. When you get to the end of the line, you can use this to push it back, and also when you press it, it moves the roller. And if you use this switch right here, switch it from 1 space to 2 spaces. So now, it'll make double spaced lines. Yeah, there's also this little... Hey, look, it landed. There's also this little thing right here where you press it and it moves the typewriter back. And the bell goes diggy ding dingy. There's this thing that I don't know what to call it, but I'll just call it a pincher because it pinches the paper. And this switch, which you use to put in the paper or to take it out. Then there are the margins, which I don't want to change because I like them. Which basically, if you go too far, which watch, you will not go past that line. Bam. Pressing space, trying to type. It don't. Then finally there are these little antennas to keep your paper up, so it makes this whole thing look like a TV. Finally, there is the tab key. Beep, boop, beep, boop, beep, beep, beep. Then there's the shift key, which just raises up.
Hello, Bailey boy.
And then there's the shift lock key, which I just press that down, and now it's like